In this episode, we will talk about new upcoming DJI Avata 2 leaks, features, and release date. The DJI Avata 2 has now appeared in the FCC database filing, which is a sure sign that it's going to take off soon. This has been backed up by further FCC evidence, including battery labels for the drone and mentions of new accessories, including the DJI Goggles 3 headset, a DJI RC Motion 3 controller, and a DJI Remote Controller 3. This all follows some leaked images, one of which was shared by regular DJI leaker Quadro_news and revealed the new FPV drone's design. Below, another post shared by Jasper Ellens hints at some possible specs, which suggests the Avata 2's upgrades will include imaging boosts like a larger sensor and improved safety features. According to the leaks, the Avata 2 could get a 48MP 1x1.3 in CMOS sensor, which could be the same as the one in the DJI Mini 3 Pro. That would be a pretty big upgrade from the 1x1.7 in sensor in the current Avata. It could also seemingly be capable of shooting 4K 120p slow-motion video and support the D-Log-M format for color grading your videos. The image and spec leaks suggest the Avata 2 will also be a bit bigger than the current model, weighing in at 458 grams, rather than 410 grams. Though the FCC filing strangely points to a lower capacity 2,150 mAh battery, which would be a drop from 2,420 mAh in the original drone. What we don't yet know is how DJI has improved the experience of flying the drone. The DJI Goggles 3 could certainly make a big difference, with leaked photos suggesting the headset could even have front-facing cameras and augmented reality AR features. If we talk about release date, two different dates are discussed in China-based Telegram groups, April 11 and April 9. It is said that Avata 2 will be announced on April 11 and RS4 and 4 Pro will be announced on April 9. It may be true because it was said by people who are known for their accurate posts. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.